Best of greetings. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I welcome you to this 2025 Ramadan month, the best of months. It's a month we seek for Allah's mercy. It's a month of mercy. It's a month of grace. It's a month of favor. It's a month of elevation. It's a month of seeking the face, the mercies of Allah. So I welcome you as today mark the first day of Ramadan 2025. I welcome you with all your expectations. In this particular month, Allah will meet you to the point of your need. I don't know what you're passing through. Stick to this month of Ramadan. Fast it accordingly. Abstain from all evil. Abstain from every destruction. This month is a month you can minimize and reduce all the evil activities you use to engage yourself. And when you reduce and disengage yourself from all these evil activities, you will enjoy in the mercies of Allah. So I wish you the best, both Muslims and Christians. Participate in this, especially the Muslims. It is opportunity for you to know more of Islam, practice Islam, know what Islam is all about, especially those in Nigeria, the South and Southeast. I welcome you. Try this month of Ramadan, holy month. It's a month of mercy. I promise you at the end of this month of mercy, you will have a lot of things to shout about. I wish you the best of the month. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.